What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the TEDS woodworking before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the TEDS woodworking works. What is TEDS woodworking? TEDS woodworking is a digital collection of woodworking plans and tutorials designed to make any woodworking project easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're just starting out or already skilled, you'll find clear instructions, diagrams, and material lists to guide you from start to finish. From toy chests and tables to sheds and cabinetry, every project includes step-by-step blueprints, detailed material and cutting lists, 3D diagrams with photos and measurements, video tutorials to support complex builds. Why TEDS woodworking is so popular. Massive library, access to 16,000 plus woodworking plans. Great for beginners, clear layouts, no technical jargon. Versatile projects, furniture, outdoor builds, crafts, decor and more. Lifetime access, get updates and new plans for life. Helpful bonuses, 150 plus video tutorials, CADDWG viewer software, and a woodworking business startup guide. What to keep in mind. With so many plans, it might feel overwhelming at first. Some designs may be similar or overlapping. Large download size. What you get with TEDS woodworking. When you sign up, you'll receive lifetime access to all 16,000 plans. New monthly planned updates. CAD software for customizing your designs. 150 plus woodworking videos. Business and technique manuals for next-level skill building. Who is Ted McGrath? Ted is a master woodworker who created this program to make woodworking accessible to everyone. With decades of hands-on experience, his goal was to eliminate the guesswork and give users the confidence to take on any project. Is TEDS woodworking worth it? If you're passionate about building or just want a reliable, well-organized collection of projects, TEDS woodworking is a no-brainer. It's more than just a product, it's a full learning experience for wood lovers who want to build smarter and better.